back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome aboard. Today's video is going to be a glittery eye look. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette in Dark Magic, and the shade I'm using is Busted. I did prime my eyelids with concealer, but I lost that footage somehow. Alright y'all, so I just applied that shade all over my eye, and then I did the exact same thing on the other eye. And I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer to apply the glitter, y'all. It's so bomb. It's from Made by REJ Cosmetics and the color Lucky Charm. I also have the silver one too, and I really like both of them. But I'm just applying the primer in the center of my eye because that's where I want to apply the glitter. Alright y'all, so I'm using the same exact brush that I used to apply the primer to pick up the glitter, and it was just pretty self-explanatory. I just put it exactly where I put the primer, and it was getting like stuck in my eyelash a little bit, so y'all see me pushing it up, but other than that, it was pretty easy. Alright y'all, so I'm just taking some more of the eyeshadow to just blend it out. And I also had some of the primer where I didn't put the glitter, so yeah. Alright y'all, so now I'm about to apply some mascara, and then I'm gonna go off camera and finish my other eye and also apply my lashes. Okay y'all, so I want to show y'all my lashes. These are my 25mm lashes. I just relaunched these on Monday. I also have some 16mm lashes, but there is a giveaway on my Instagram. It ends on Friday, so I'm gonna leave all the information in my description box so you guys can head over there and enter. And I'm also going to be doing a video on how I started my lash business, so that'll be up this weekend sometime. So I'm using two different foundations. One is darker than the other, even though they both say the same color, but the Maybelline Superstay foundation is a little darker and it's also more matte, so I like to use both of them. Yeah, because the Maybelline Fit Me is closer to my skin color, so I just mix them. Alright, so for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline concealer in number 30. I think that one is called Cafe. And I'm just applying it underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. So now I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. And y'all, I'm not really good at this, but it is what it is. Okay, so I tried to blend it out with this e.l.f. highlighting brush, but that was not working. So I had to go back in with my sponge and just blend it out. I blended it for a little minute, y'all, but I cut that out. So I'm using the Ben Nye banana powder. Um, I think my cap got some glitter in it because I normally would put it in my cap, but I just put it on the back of the palette, and I put it underneath my eyes, on the crease of my mouth and my forehead, but I don't let it sit on the crease of my mouth or my forehead because it get like really dry in those areas for me. So I just go ahead and like blend them in, but I let it sit under my eyes for a little minute. So I'm just using this little cheap beauty supply store lip liner, and I'm just gonna apply some lip gloss on top. It's just like a regular brown lip liner. I think it was like light brown actually. So I'm going to be using this green shade out of my Juvia's Place palette to highlight the inner corner of my eye. I just thought the green shade in there would just really complement the glitter on the eye, and it was really cute, y'all. And for the final step, I'm using the Black Radiance Contour palette again, and I'm taking the highlighter shade out of there to highlight my cheeks. I tried to highlight my nose, but it wasn't showing up, so I did end up going off camera and using my Luna Cosmetics highlighter. I got it out of my Ipsy bag when I was getting the subscriptions every month, and I had ended up putting it on my nose. But y'all, this is pretty much the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and subscribe and give me a thumbs up.